is the sum of 4 square roots of 3 and 5 square roots of 3 rational or irrational? So first we have to find the sum of these two numbers. We have 4 square roots of 3 plus, because we have to find the sum, 5 square roots of 3. Because we have square root of square root, so and 3 under square root and 3, we can add these two numbers. We have 4 square roots plus 5 of square roots, so this is 9 square roots of 3. And now we have to decide if it is rational or irrational number. We know that a rational number we can write as a fraction, and irrational number we cannot. And what we have here, we have like 9 times square root of 3. Square root of 3 is irrational number. Let me show you. Square root of 3, this is 1.73 and so on. We cannot find the last number of square root of 3. So when we multiply irrational number by 9, it still will be irrational number. We cannot write this number as a fraction. So this is irrational number. Because we cannot write this number as a fraction. This is my solution.